brain so it can be tested for cholinesterase inhibition, which is a way of... Still looking on this fellow. They've just done a really, really good job with this. You know, there's a lot of...
We know from witness accounts that lots of folks heard very loud noises repeatedly, noises on the order of something like commercial fireworks. The noises were loud enough to get folks to come out of their homes to see what was going on right before midnight on New Year's Eve. These same folks saw birds, these same types of birds, flying low across the ground and smashing into their homes and cars and mailboxes and so forth.
Well, I just hate seeing that trend towards if
so that people could...
You got more birds over there?
We found that they had multiple traumatic injuries consistent with blunt force trauma. With wild birds, it's generally a matter of flying into large inanimate objects, and the injuries included hemorrhages and broken bones.